Cool. Okay. Sit down. Let's see. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a lesson about syllables.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what syllables are?
Yeah.
What are they?
They're like sounds.
Kinda, yeah. So like when you have a word, you can like clap it out like that, or else it's like the beats per minute kinda. So we're gonna do one right now on remember. So the word remember. So we'll clap it out. So we'll go remember. Good job. Yeah. So how many syllables does it have?
3.
3. Good job. Okay. Do you know what a open and closed syllable is?
We learned about this, but I forgot.
That's okay. We'll review it right now.
Okay.
Let me just write that real quick. Remember. So I have these, and this kind of explains what they are. So an open syllable is a syllable that ends in a vowel, pretty much. So in this word, there's 3 syllables, right? So in a second, we're going to look to see which one is an open syllable. So it's a vowel. But the syllable that ends with a vowel, the vowel will say its name, okay? So like, for example, right here, we said re, right? Right here. So do you notice that this would be an open syllable because it ends with the letter E, and it also says its name. So that would be an open syllable. So re, open. So we can put it right here, and we'll circle open. Okay? Then we're going to look at a closed syllable, and we'll leave this out throughout the lesson so that you can do it too. So a closed syllable is one that ends in a consonant, okay? So not a vowel, a consonant. When a syllable ends in a consonant, the vowel before it says its short sound, okay? So remember that. So for example, an example of this would be met, okay? So met. So you notice how there's a vowel and then there's a syllable, or a vowel and then a consonant. Right here, there's a vowel, E, and then a consonant. And it doesn't make like that long sound that a open syllable would. See, look at met versus me. Do you notice how the E says E, and then met, it just says met. So that's a closed syllable. This is an open syllable. Cool? So we can use this to look at it throughout the rest. So we did remember. So mem would be our next one. Do you think it would be an open or closed syllable?
Oh, close.
Closed. Why do you think it would be a closed?
Because
Look at the closed. What does it end with?
with the short sound.
Yeah, it does. And it ends in a consonant. And there's a vowel. So mem, that's not a long sound. And it ends with a consonant. So yes, it would be closed. Okay? Let's look at this part. Burr. Open or closed? Open? Why would it be
closed?
Burr. Yeah, so it would be closed because it says It doesn't say E, and it ends in a consonant. So that's how we know it's closed. So this word follows what is called an open, closed syllable pattern. Because it says it's open, then it's closed, then it's closed. And that's what we're going to be focusing on today. So we're going to try to identify 1, syllables in a word, 2, if they're open or closed, and seeing if the word follows the open, closed syllable pattern. Okay? So we are going to, let me go ahead and erase this. Oh no. Let me grab a paper towel real quick.
Okay.
Should have brought an eraser out here. So we're going to do some words together now. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't realize how hard this would be to erase. Okay. So we're going to look at the word defender. Okay, defender. So let's separate it into syllables, right? So let's clap. Defender. Okay, so can you write the different syllables right here for me?
You want me to like do this also?
Yeah, you can do that if that helps you for sure.
Defender.
Good job. And go ahead and write them right there in those boxes. Okay. And now we're going to do our next part and see if it's open or closed. So we have these. So our first one is D. Open or closed?
Open.
Open? Yeah, that's correct. You want to circle open? And why is it open?
Because
I'll give you a hint.
the syllable ends with the vowel.
Yeah, so it ends in a vowel and it makes its own name. So it says E, and that's a letter, right? Let's look at fen. Open or closed?
Closed.
Closed, good job. And let's look at this one.
Open.
Open.
Wait, closed.
Closed, why would it be closed?
Because the second is like a short, like,
Yeah, it's short and it
Yeah.
ends in a consonant. Remember, it doesn't end in a vowel, so that means it's closed. Good job. We're gonna do one more together and then I'm gonna have you do some separately by yourself, okay? Sound good? Do you remember learning about this stuff now?
yeah.
A little bit? When did you learn about it?
I think in like 3rd or 2nd grade.
That's good. Okay. Let's separate it now into syllables. Ready? Butterfly. Can you write the syllables down?
That.
Oh my gosh, yes, you're brilliant. Good job. Okay, now let's label them. So, open or closed? Is butt open or closed?
Oh. Closed.
Because it ends in a
And
consonant. Yes, okay. So go ahead and circle closed. And then let's do this one. Tur. Does it open or closed?
open.
Think again. Remember in defender, there was an ER at the end of that. And what did we label that?
Closed.
Because, why is that?
Because it ends with a consonant.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. And let's do this last one. This last one is a little bit tricky, okay? But take your best guess. Is it open or closed? Fly.
Open.
Yeah, it is. Why do you think it's open?
Because the last letter is a vowel.
It's not a vowel, but it makes a long sound. So it says fly. So it sounds like I, and that's a long sound, meaning it's open. Good job.
Does it go open?
Yeah, you can go ahead. Okay, we've done some by ourselves. Are you ready to do, or together, are you ready to do some by yourselves?
Yeah.
Okay. And remember, you can definitely use these cards right here to help you. And you can look at the examples below too,
Okay.
because they are very helpful. Okay. Okay. Did you also notice that butterfly didn't follow the open, closed, closed syllable pattern? It did it closed, closed, open, which we weren't looking for that. So when we're doing this, I want you to do 3 things.
Right.
You're going to break them into syllables. You're going to determine if each syllable is open and closed. And then you're going to tell me if it follows the open, closed, closed pattern, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and split this up. The only thing that I notice is the G would actually move over here because it's regretful. Okay, so can you just move this G right there?
So like,
Yeah, we'll just erase this. And you're going to put the G right there now. Okay, so open or closed. E. Does it end in a consonant or a syllable or a vowel?
vowel. So open.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Gret. Does it end in a consonant or a vowel?
Consonant.
Mm-hmm.
So close.
Mm-hmm. Full.
Consonant.
So,
Closed.
does it follow this open, close, close pattern? It does because it's open, close, close. Awesome. We're going to do one more. We should have brought some spray out here or something.
Yeah.
It's okay. Oh, I'll keep that there. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do a made-up word now. We'll actually do two more, okay? And then we'll be finished.
Okay.
Okay, this is a fake word, it's not real.
Did?
Podated.
Oh, podated.
Okay, so separated. Mm-hmm. Awesome. Go ahead and put, is it open or closed?
Open. Do I say what?
No, you're good. Just keep on going.
Closed.
Mm-hmm.
Closed.
Does it follow our syllable pattern we're practicing today? Yes, good job. So it does. Good job. Yes. Okay. Last one because you're literally a genius. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me see. Okay. Forgetful. Go ahead and separate it. Okay. So, is for open or closed?
Open. Closed.
It's closed because it ends in a...
Consonant.
Yes, good job.
This one's open.
Think about it. What does it end with?
Get. Oh, closed.
Mm-hmm.
Four. Open.
Think about it. What does it end with? Remember?
I'm done.
Close. Good job. Does this follow our open, close, close syllable pattern?
No.
Why doesn't it?
This one's closed because they're all closed.
Yes. Good job. So that's the end of this. What did you learn about open syllables? They end in a.
And a vowel.
What did you learn about closed syllables? They end in a.
Consonant.
Good job. Does that help you make a little bit more sense out of this? Awesome. Thank you so much for your help today. You did fabulous.
Thank you. And you're welcome.